we've been exhibiting here at the home show for over 20 years. The benefits to being here at the show is leads, talking to customers and just getting our name out there.
This is an amazing captive audience. We normally expect people to come and make the effort to visit our showroom. They're all in one place. They're all here. They're all interested in home renovations.
The value for us in the home show is a lot of new builds. So we have clients coming through in the planning stage of building their potentially dream home, sometimes forever home. Our go-to is to educate and nurture those clients for 3 to 6 months' time when they're building their dream homes.
Which has been fantastic for us because they're going to go away, talk to their installers, talk to their builders, and obviously they'll be specifying our AirTouch product.
And actually, we do sell a lot of spas. Today, we've sold already 12 spas, which is massive for a home show.
Just this morning, one of our team sold a sauna in 10 minutes of the show opening.
The ability to put a client into a room and give them a chance to experience something that they haven't experienced anywhere else has given us the ability to close sales at a show.
When we made the decision in our marketing strategy to do the home show, we didn't know what to expect. What it meant for us is replacing a lot of your traditional marketing to have the home show as the main marketing message, and it's generated a lot more foot traffic in our showroom.
The home show helps with brand recognition. I mean, you have so many large national players in this room right now.
Being essentially an online business, exhibiting at the home show gives us a physical presence. That means that consumers, designers and other trades can come in and actually touch and feel the products.
So we've been exhibiting at the home show for the best part of 12, 13 years now. Because every time we invest even more in the displays, it shows our customers on future project plans the seed. And we know that in the next 2 to 3 years, we definitely get rewarded for it.
The home show is essential to setting up our year. Our team members, they understand how important the home show is, for the next 12 months, even sometimes 18, 24 months.
And doing 2 of them a year does give us our primary lead generation. This is the way that we decided to go forward.
It's been a great weekend so far. We're only halfway through it, but we have a huge amount of interest. So we're really pleased with how this is actually going.
The home show for us is a great investment. It's a no-brainer every year. This is a time to show off your brand. What have you worked so hard for? This is a time to show it off. The return on the home show far outweighs what we spend on the home show.